you for our live viewers. We have Tinolax from our Legion. We have Cloudy from our Legion also. We have Pawi May also from our Legion. And of course, our special friend, manager, Limanty. Thank you to all the support we are having. So let's dive into the arena. Woo! I'm so nervous because energy or SLP. Energy spend, SLP. So first up, it's a bird, beast, plant. So and here, this is a good draw, huh? Guys, this is a good draw. So a good draw. Start of our stream. Oh, right from the back, Gacnator delivering some highlights. Oh, what a lucky day for us. And this one, double energy coming from Sugar Bay. Wow. So let's see, guys, if this luck of ours will stay or will last until the end of our stream. For all of you that watch this stream, did you see that? That's the power of our Gacnator. Ooh! Another clutch plays from our team. So we will just gonna post this after this battle. We'll just post it. So we will just talk about the skills of our team. So if you see that, guys, too much damage early on in the battle, so that is the skills of our Axies. So one combo of Gacnator, allergic reactions plus the slow. That's a nasty combo, guys. So we can just throw anything here. I think we're winning a lot. Nice play coming from our Axie, guys. Right off the bat. Retrieving some actions just for you guys. Of course, you can view this in our YouTube page. We just released our YouTube page, guys. Limanty.com. We have 5 videos there, so make sure to check out our highlight plays there. Guys, did you see that? Sacrificing for the action. That's our Smarty Sons. Until his last breath, he will deliver us action, guys. Smarty Sons. So once again, guys, never celebrate too early. This is just the beginning of our stream. We have a lot more to offer to you guys, so make sure to like this